Totally redesigned from the ground up, the all-new 2022 LX600 stands as the ultimate sport utility flagship in the luxury brand's growing and diversified model portfolio. The full-size luxury SUV, with its newly re-engineered body-on-frame platform, avant-garde style and luxurious cabin, embodies Lexus' commitment to meeting the diversifying needs and lifestyles of lucky owners. By adopting a new global architecture platform and redesigning the entire framework of the vehicle from the ground up, engineers revised the LX fundamental characteristics and reduced its center of gravity and weight, while increasing body rigidity to achieve a smooth composure and superior comfort level, according to Lexus driving signature. The new LX is 441 pounds lighter than its predecessor and realizes a predictable balanced comportment during turning, acceleration and deceleration maneuvers, plus improves stability when driving off-road. The 3.5-liter V6 twin-turbo gasoline engine is smaller than the outgoing naturally aspirated V8 and provides increased output and torque through turbocharging. The engine produces an output of 409 horsepower and maximum 479 pound-feet of torque, and maintains maximum torque in a wide range up to about 3,600 RPM, making it easier to handle, not only during on-road driving, but also during off-road driving, which can require frequent use in the low-speed range. The direct-shift automatic transmission produces a smooth start that only a torque converter can provide, as well as manual transmission like direct acceleration, by activating lockup in almost its entire range of operation, except when the vehicle starts from a stop. The cross-gear ratio setting, which brings the gear ratios of each stage closer together, and the quick gear shift time make for crisp gear shifting at regular intervals, creating a driving rhythm that is in harmony with the sound of the engine. An oil pan guard is installed to the lower body, which has been designed for off-road performance, to help reduce the risk of oil pan damage due to unplanned hits to the underfloor that might occur when conquering rocky roads. To achieve both a high level of off-road driving performance and on-road handling stability, the front high-mounted double wishbone suspension geometry and optimized coil springs offer both excellent vehicle stability and ride comfort. The suspension stroke, which is an important factor for off-road driving performance, is made sufficiently long with 3.93 inch of bound and 5.7 inch of rebound to help achieve both exceptional on- and off-road driving performance. The capable 4-link axle-type suspension with rear lateral control arms is inherited from the previous model, while the suspension arms and shock absorber layout and characteristics are refined to facilitate control of axle movement, resulting in enhanced vehicle stability and ride comfort. The rebound stroke is increased by 0.8 inch compared to the previous model to ensure excellent road-following performance. The rear shock absorbers are placed outside of the lower control arm, and the shock absorber mounting angle has been adjusted to match the angle at which the axle moves. This makes it easier for the shock absorbers to follow the vertical movement of the wheels, increasing their damping effect and, thus, better absorbing shocks and vibrations from the road surface to provide exceptional vehicle stability. Although it is a frame-based vehicle that retains its predecessor's traditional off-road driving performance and vehicle stability, the new LX offers a high level of vehicle control, along with supreme on-road ride comfort. Additionally, the use of a new active height control system and adaptive variable suspension help provide improved grip, traction and control as well as a sense of strength and security. The active height control suspension which allows the ride height to be adjusted according to the driving environment, now comes with an expanded range of ride height positions. While ride height is still adjusted through the use of shock absorbers, gas and hydraulic springs and metal springs, a spring rate switching device, which was previously only used for the front wheels, is now used for the rear wheels as well, reducing the time needed to adjust ride height. There are 3 settings for vehicle height while the vehicle is in motion, and a low setting for passenger ingress and egress. The system automatically adjusts vehicle height depending on the activation of Drive Mode Select or Multi-Terrain Select and the selection status of the transfer case. Ride height status can now be displayed not only on the gauge panel but also on the 7-inch touch display. Additionally, active height control not only adjusts the vehicle height but also responds to changes in vehicle posture, such as the amount of pitch and roll, and it stabilizes vehicle posture during turning, acceleration and deceleration by optimizing the spring rate as needed. The suspension automatically adjusts to high range 1 or high range 2 in line with the road environment in coordination with the transfer case being in the low range or with the mode selected during the use of multi-terrain select. When high range 1 or high range 2 is selected, the system automatically adjusts the vehicle height according to the vehicle's speed to help avoid interference with the road surface and improve handling stability. The springs are softened to help provide a comfortable ride when overcoming bumps during in-town driving, and are stiffened to help ensure a flat and stable ride when going around curves. An added benefit: vehicle height automatically adjusts when the vehicle is in motion, and when at a standstill, lowers for easier passenger ingress and egress. Changing to a linear solenoid valve system offers excellent damping force switching response, providing intricate and smooth control depending on the road surface and driving conditions. The damping force can be set low to provide a comfortable ride when going over bumps during in-town driving, and can be set high to provide a flat and stable feeling when going around curves. The new electric power steering uses the motor and reduction gear instead of conventional hydraulics. It enables subtle tuning and provides a light steering sensation at low speeds, such as when driving off-road, and full steering weightiness at high speeds. The vehicle responds faithfully and linearly to steering operations. At low speeds, the light steering sensation contributes to reducing driver burden, and at high speeds, a moderate steering force in line with the vehicle's speed provides a driving experience that is distinctive of Lexus' driving signature. The electronically controlled brake system employs a sensor to detect the degree of brake pedal depression and creates braking force with the hydraulic brakes for more linear braking characteristics. When multi-terrain select is selected for off-road driving, the system is designed to ensure a high level of driving stability through detailed braking control to counter slipping or spinning wheels. In addition to off-road driving performance, 22-inch forged aluminum wheels, the largest in the Lexus lineup, have been adopted for the first time to improve on-road performance. The unsprung weight of all wheels, including the available 18-inch and 20-inch wheels, has been reduced for optimized rolling resistance values. The all-new Lexus next-generation interior and exterior design marries superior function with stunning aesthetic. For its spindle grille, a three-dimensional shape comprised of 7 sets of floating bars creates a seamless and frame-free structure. It is style-rooted in function. Fine-tuning the thickness of each bar to the millimeter achieves not only a new look, but also provides the high-level cooling performance required for the twin-turbo engine. The side radiator grills also have large openings to ensure cooling performance and are shaped to provide a high-level rectifying effect. For the headlamps, the L-shaped clearance lamps have evolved into a three-dimensional shape, and their inner lenses have been doubled, with each having a different level, to give a sense of depth and change depending on the viewing angle. The sides portray a strong sense of unity and mass, with a thick horizontal torso running the entirety of the profile, blending through to the muscular rear wheel arches. The LX quarter pillars narrow from the roof to the back window, while a distinct chiseled flow from the underside of the vehicle runs up from the lower edge of the rocker panels to behind the rear tires. As seen on the 2022 NX, the redesigned rear Lexus logo symbolizes the next generation of Lexus. For the rear combination lamps, tail lamps have been adopted that combine an L shape and a continuous axial flow from the front to the shoulders and then to the rear silhouette. New for 2022, the North American-developed Lexus Interface multimedia system allows the LX to seamlessly integrate and navigate life's twists and turns. The Lexus Interface's 12.3-inch upper touchscreen with added LX-exclusive 7-inch lower touchscreen provides intuitive technology at the occupant's fingertips. The screen's new human-machine interface enhances user interaction through sight, touch and voice, while balancing accessibility needs. Lexus Interface incorporates a new voice assistant developed with a human-centered approach. The voice assistant is intended to be the primary way guests interact with the new multimedia system. Designed with dual microphones with speaker location capability and enhanced noise cancellation, the system enables a voice-first approach, allowing front seat occupants an expanded and interactive experience to access navigation, media, phone and other vehicle control settings. The Lexus-first 4-seat ultra-luxury grade enhances the LX lineup with special attention paid to the rear passenger space and their experience. To help achieve an unparalleled comfort level, the front seat can move forward, and the seat reclining angle can be controlled up to 48 degrees. Additionally, the rear seat display, behind the front passenger seat, can fold down to allow for forward visibility, offering an airy VIP seating experience with a maximum leg space of 43-inch. This seating posture is easily achieved with the push of one rear control panel button. A footrest behind the front passenger seat can be deployed to provide maximum comfort from head to toe. The rear seats feature ultra-luxury exclusive curved headrests, seat backs and cushions that gently wrap around the head, hips and lower body. The all-new crafted VIP seating helps to offset any lateral G-forces and irregular road surfaces. Guests preferring a sportier look and feel can select the F Sport grade, a first for LX, with its unique design touches and handling. Styling features of the F Sport grade include new and exclusive 22-inch forged aluminum wheels, an F-mesh design spindle grille with jet black chrome grille frame. Inside, the steering wheel and shifter feature textured genuine leather for improved style and grip, while the exclusive F Sport emblem is applied throughout. A custom-crafted F-designed seat further enhances hold against lateral G-forces. Ultra white with circuit red are offered as an F Sport grade exclusive. Driving performance for the F Sport grade features uniquely tuned standard front and rear performance dampers, a Torsen LSD and a rear stabilizer. Special tuning of the electric power steering and adaptive variable suspension offers performance-focused response and handling stability that only the F Sport can provide. The 2022 Lexus LX is scheduled to arrive at US dealers in the first quarter of 2022.